Introducing Odoo POS Multi Currency module.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well.
Now, coming to the login part, I have logged in as an admin user. Now navigate to the apps and search for POS Multi Currency. Here you can see that the POS Multi Currency is already installed in the system. Now let's move to the point of sales, configurations, and settings. Make sure that multiple currencies are enabled. Here you can select currencies and add. And now click on the Save button and then go to the point of sales dashboard. Now click on Open Register. Open the register, select the desired products, and proceed with payment. Make sure the multi-currency is enabled. Here you can see the select currency, current rate, and the unit price. You can select the currency here. I am choosing INR now and click on the Add button. Here you can see the currency conversion. Click on the Validate button. Now you can see that the receipt consists of cash and its INR value.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching.